The king is back, Kuno, with my homie Young Z, HBL. If you wanna take a ride with me, so let's go for a ride. Close your eyes, baby, and tell me how to feel. You've been the one that I dream about, the one who got me under spell. Sex on, baby, you got me hypnotized. When you shit your body like a snake, you got me and I got your back. Baby, I miss you, I love you and I care about you than anything else in this world. You're the one that my heart beats for, the one that I holler at the most. So baby, speak up, tell about me and I hope we're good spending our time in this trio. Five to the 3. I'm ready for yo. Damn girl, you drive me crazy. A one-stop till I paint this wrong, wanna treat you like that queen from the top to the slide. I know you like that feeling, yeah. All I wanna do is pop me with you 24/7. Let me take a ride, let me ease your mind, let me ease your pain. Just take a trip with me, all a good time that we had. Like the first time that we made, I knew that time you were so special to me. You're the only one that I want in my world. The way you never crossed me, even when I made you cry, won't disappoint you. Got a long way to go, skipping class together in the hallway. Made me feel like I got a reason to leave. Got you, girl, I know you like it when I'm kidding that. Kitty cat, you're my one and only. That's why love is so real. Stay right here by my side, always on the road, always on the studio. Knew what you thinking, I'm messing with this house, but I ain't goddamn the truth about it, baby. I'm just trying to get there so we can have a better life. In the end, it's gonna be alright. We can make it through the struggle, we can make it through the fight. So we gotta keep our hands up and fight for love. Like you looked me the first time. Right, close your eyes and hold your hands tight. Real side, yes, we're ready for this trouble. Yes, to make it to the top of the world, I'ma hold you tight.